So here are the parts that come with the twin pipe concentric adapter. First thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of the lubricant Centrotherm on the end of the vent length. It'll go through the top and out the bottom, like so. And then I'm going to add the increaser to the other side. Alright. Then we will install the rest. So I've got a vent pipe here. That is going to go on the bottom, the exhaust side. Screws up, put the ring into place. Alright. On the other side, we'll put the appliance adapter to go to PVC. Don't need any connector rings for the air side. Okay, and then the last thing we'll do is connect the roof terminal.
Notice that he pulled out the exhaust from inside the thing to connect it. And then when properly cut and measured, it slides right over the adapter. Done and done. Thank you, Dennis.
Yep.